Welcome to my channel S for Shivani. I am Shivani Saxena and in this video I will take you through some innovative and creative ways to begin a presentation. A presentation could be for a class project, your summer internship, corporate competition, or just a meeting with your boss. You need to create an impact as you want to be remembered even after tens of presentations. Present your solution in a way that it keeps the listener on the toes throughout. For that, if you like these kind of videos, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from me. First trick, I call it converging narratives. This is a good way to keep the curiosity level high throughout the presentation. You start with different personas of your story and later convince them towards your recommendation. The focus should be on your observations and journey. As you can see, you have three personas, and these personas are then defining your problem statement, which is leading to your idea. Here is an example. The second technique is the Big Bang beginnings. You try with a predictable story and then it turns unexpected, gripping the audience towards the end. It is good for disrupting audience expectations and then walking them towards your recommendations. You begin with a third party's analysis of the situation. Let's say you're working on an ad, and then you tell the company the figures which they will be expecting from you. But shockingly, if your results are different, then this is a good way to start. In this way, you will be able to highlight your key findings in the beginning itself and catch the audience's attention. The third one is hook and bait. You might have come across this phase while studying the pricing strategies under 4P. In this, you make a surprising statement first and then begin with the introduction. Try this technique only if you have the confidence of pulling it off. Here, the bait is the surprise part while the hook is the rest of the presentation. Have a look at one of the examples. If you have got a chance to do a pilot and it has been successful, then this is a great technique to begin the presentation with your achievements. Number 4, peeling the onion. So here I believe that whatever your core idea is, that is protected by layers of information and you should reach there only after peeling each layer. So first you begin with secondary research, which is the first thing you should be doing. Then you go to the primary research, then to your personal interactions with the leaders of the business, and then you reveal whatever your core idea or the big idea is. Number 5, immersive visualization. You might have seen that there are certain companies that come to campuses for hiring. They begin the presentations by showing you a video or a small clip which they have from their businesses. So this is a good way to captivate the audience attention and then take them to the boring part basically. You can show visual related to your primary research, some solution you are recommending, a prototype you created, or a pilot conducted. This method combines both theory and practice, so it is very impactful. You can use simple video editing apps like Filmora, which is for your desktop, or YouCut for mobile, and there are multiple other ways to edit the videos. It's very easy and you can do it. This is a screenshot of one of the slides I used while starting my review just before the mid review, and it was very impactful in showing that I visited all these dealerships in a very small span of time, which was over the weekend, so just 2 days. And lastly, there are some tried and tested methods which are very safe and commonly used approaches. You can begin the presentation with some stats. For example, do you know only 30% of the users have downloaded the app, rest resort to local shops, or you can begin with a quote from someone from your company or an expert of your field, whatever you feel would be better. And these ways are, very predictable, but still they can be tried out and they're very safe.